Got it.
We've just handed it to the two men on the ladders.
Yeah, if you can try
Now we'll try and see what goes on here.
Yeah.
Okay, I've got a big bubble center.
Or talk to each other.
Don't be shy.
We've got Velcro on the rolling yourself towards the center here, and I'm going to try to get that tucked in before we send the whole batten home into the clips.
Okay, you want to check the other side?
Yeah.
You're not all the way down here.
That's it right there.
Now we measure side to side distance from the edge of the mount to the outside edge of the cap to make sure we're centered on our original measurements. Tim? Good? How much have you got?
So you see what it's doing now, they're centering it side to side on the wall. In order to do that, they have to lift up a bit out of the clip and shove it one way or the other till it meets their centering mark, and then they push it back down.
So actually the batten is somewhat longer than the cap.
Oh yeah, it's 12 inches, the cap 12 inches shorter than the cap.
Okay.
Sorry, the cap's 12 inches shorter than the batten.
Okay, so it's 6 inches on each
How
end.
much is it to
And
the
they
wall,
measure from the
Antonio?
cat out and
Mhm.
center.
33 and a half.
How much?
33 and a half.
56 and a half over here, and you had allotted 54 inches for your didactic and space on the other side.
We need to come back this way a little bit because the main part of this road is not centered under function.
Okay, you want this figure under function?
Yeah,
Okay.
about 2 or 3 inches.
So, can you keep your side up for a minute, Antonio? I still got a verbal.
Yeah. Well, there's a, I got
Can you come up?
right underneath this one.
Okay.
The other
Thank you,
thing,
gentlemen.
you on?
Thank you.
The other thing to remember, and I try and encourage the technicians to do, is not to handle the top edge too much because the fingerprints show along the linen. So they're really careful to handle it as little as possible. Although to push it up and push it down, you
Right.
handle it a bit, but they handle it from either end of the batten most of the time.
Right.
That looks great.
Okay.
You're wonderful. You're going to lift that down? Hang it off that side? Is it wide enough to get them taking that off the wall?
Yeah.
Come up and go vertical and straight forward. Okay, we're okay. Around like that.
Miracle of modern math. See the cleat on the back, that's the way it comes.
Uh-huh.
This part with the angled wood. And the Velcro along the top, which matches up with the Velcro on the Kilim. It's made up of modular panels, but then the cleat holds it together.
Oh yeah, we had it there this morning, right?
Yeah.
So they've left this top edge hanging off the platform so they can bring the top edge of the rug around, or the top edge of the linen mounts, right?
All the horizontal Kilims have padding in them to compensate the thickness that's caused, or the buildup that's caused by the Velcro rolling around on itself, and that's what this is. These are actually floor platforms built for rugs to go flat, but they're working as a workspace, or acting as a workspace.
It's all just hooked together, right?
Your Velcro is on the side.
Yeah, it doesn't matter because I have to look together.
Now what we want to do is go, let's say, 9.
The other thing to be careful of when you're unrolling is to keep the tube taut here and not let too much, or let the tube get too baggy.
Let what get baggy?
This part will get.
Oh, let it get in ahead of
You
you.
have to pick it up and continue to push slightly this way.
Okay.